Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative. Sorry about the bag. Sorry. Okay, I had to run to Michael's because let me grab this out. I apologize. I know y'all don't like the sound. Okay, I had to run to Michael's. I've been commissioned to do some little party stuff for a friend and, well, my daughter's friend. One of her friends called me and said, hey, can you make some stuff? So anyway, so I'm doing that. I'm going to tell you what I got from Michael's. Well, first, I got these, the cake, the cardboard cake things. I'm going to tell you what I got these, Miss D special things. She's an enabler. She showed me how she did her Julie $90 on it. Oh, I love it. But anyway, that's what that's for, because I'm going to put some up there. She has tempted me to make some. So anyway, they had this, the girl that I'm doing the party for, she wanted me to use the letter L, and this needs to be purple or silver with flowers on it. So I will be altering that. Hopefully I have a chance to do some of the videos. I'm not sure, because I'm on a crunch. It's been a crazy week. Friend died, funeral, and just so much anyway. So just a Mod Podge matte finish, some more blades for my yeah, that thing. I'm rushing because I got something I got to do in a few minutes. And I'm trying to get this video done. I can't think. Alright, so these are doilies, the little, they're like the more like the iridescent kind, but they're silver, so that can kind of qualify for the color. So I'm either going to use these or some white ones to cover the milk bottles, the water bottles. Got some more tape. Always got to have some more tape when you're crafting, because whenever I got a party, I'm making something for somebody, I swear I don't like to run out of nothing. But I had to go because I had to get some purple paper. Because purple and silver are her colors, and of course they had buy two get one free. So, you know, I had to get some purple paper to make some candy wrappers. I didn't have any purple paper. I'm like, seriously? I got 1,000 pieces of paper color, but didn't have any more purple. But anyway, so it worked out because I saw this, which I do have some foil one. But this foil looks different than the other foil paper. I'm going to compare the colors to see if they're the same. Because this one looks different. I don't know why. But anyway, it looks a little different. But then they had the gold foil, but this is with the craft on the back. So my silver one, so it's probably the same. But then this gold one, I like to have the craft on the back, because the other gold one is harder to cut. Then they had the copper. Yay! I just went and got all this. I don't have these colors. It says it was new. Of course, I haven't been in Michael's since, you know, before the shutdown. I have not been in there. I haven't been shopping at all. I wouldn't have went for this if I didn't have to do this party. I've been doing so good, but Michael's is directly across the street from me, right next to the grocery store. So I just ordered it and bam. They had the primary colors. Look at that. And the cardstock on the back. And then they had the pastels. So, you know, I went on and got them. You know, you gotta make an order. But I wouldn't even been bothering with Michael's. I hadn't got that, but I said, oh no, I hadn't seen those colors. So I had that, and then that was it for Michael's. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.